Connect to air supply and power. Turn on the air circuit breaker. Press the power button. In the main interface, click Reset. Resetting. Click Parameter, adjust the sealing pressure. Place the waste collecting tank and exhaust the air pipeline. Enter the calibration interface. Click the Evacuate button. Remove the waste liquid tank and tare the balance. Place the waste liquid tank back. Enter the calibration interface, click Injection. After liquid injection is complete, remove the waste liquid tank. Place the waste liquid tank on the electronic balance with an accuracy of 0.0001 G. Enter the weight in milligrams, click Calibrate. Modify the injection value by clicking Calibration and then Injection Pump. Take out the material box. Place the materials in order. Align the position of the locating pin and place the material box well. Close the safety shield, press the Run button. Battery assembly in progress. Take out the battery with tweezers. Click to raise the sealing mold. Take out the entire lower mold to clean it. Disassemble the lower mold, take out all parts. Pour cleaning solution onto a dust-free cloth. Wipe all parts one by one. Assemble the lower mold. Put in the lower mold back and reset the equipment. Power off the device and shut the air circuit breaker. MTI, the leading provider of scientific equipment for material research.